How to get unbanned in Fortnite. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get unbanned from Fortnite. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for Fortnite ban appeal. After you search for it, you'll see this option that is sanctions and appeals by safety.epicgames.com. Head over there. After you head over there, make sure that you sign in into your account. After you've done that, here you can see if your account was sanctioned or not. So from here, you can go to sanctions and appeals. So tap on this, and here you will see all the sanctions that you have received. So here, what you can do is you can simply tap on a sanction, and then basically you can simply uh, fight against it, that you do not agree with it. So you can simply go ahead and then appeal for that sanction, and make sure that you search for the one that is the banned one. So here you can simply search for a sanction by ID as well. And that's basically how you can get unbanned after you appeal for a sanction. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.